and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video, we'll show you what comes in the box with the IC-PAL-HiKARi 15 Pocket IR Brix Meter. The HiKARi series of Pocket Brix Meters use infrared technology to collect Brix measurements in fruit. There's no cutting up or squeezing out fruit juice required. All users need to do is press the sensor head onto the surface of the fruit and press the start button. This non-destructive process facilitates a complete inspection of batches, meaning your measured fruit can remain intact and then be shipped or sold, so there's less wastage of your valuable products. In the box there's an inspection certificate, a manual on the NFC function of the unit, a complete user manual, extra outer cushions which can easily be replaced if they become worn or damaged, and the IC-PAL-HiKARi 15 Brix Meter. With the sample stage, this is made up of the silicon cushion around the outside, the light and foam cushion on the inside, and the receiver and radiation temperature sensor in the middle. Below the sample stage is the LCD and two buttons. These are start and menu. Below this is some device information and the area letting you know that the unit is NFC enabled. On the side is an additional measurement button. And last of all, on the base is a lanyard hole and the battery compartment with a pre-installed battery. For more information on the IC-PAL-HiKARi 15, including a video demonstration on how to take measurements and how to use the NFC function, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.